How to set personal workflow in wrike. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set personal workflow in wrike. In your wrike account, click on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Then, in the drop-down menu, select Settings. Wrike will then open a new tab and redirect you to the settings page. Here, select Account Management among the options at the left. Here, you will find the default Workflow section. You can put here any prompts you would like and choose a specific color for it. For example, blue for active, yellow for in progress, and pink for pending. This will modify the status menu of every task in your account. You may also create a new workflow by clicking on Create New Workflow. Name this workflow to your liking, then save. And that's how you set a personal workflow in wrike. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!